friends, welcome to TechTag channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Hello Infinity error code 0x80070424 and 0x80070003 in Windows PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Windows setting. For that, you need to give Windows plus I. Then go to the apps. Click on apps and future. Here you search Xbox. You can see here Xbox. Click on three dots. Click on advanced option. Here little bit scroll down. Click on repair. After that, click on reset. Before reset, read the sentence. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then click on reset. Close this window. Right click on start menu. Go to the task manager. Here you search Windows Explorer. You can see here Windows Explorer. Select and right click Windows Explorer and click on reset. After resetting, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way we fix Hello Infinity error codes in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.